Yo, this box is so heavy. I know. I just push this over. Stay right here. I know. Man, I sweat. Oh, let me get all the fish and stuff. So the moment is finally here. I've been waiting to do this for probably the last 4 or 5 months. I've been keeping this a secret from you guys for as long as I could, and it finally came true. So right now, we want to officially welcome Walking Tools Jamaica to the Panthers Build Series on our YouTube channel. I have to big up Father God, always. Because this is not possible without him. And we got sponsored some tools. I have to, let me just clip this on. You know, because right now, I just start showing how I'm going, but got sponsored some tools. We have a wet and dry vacuum, well needed. We also have some merch, you know, caps. Got a tool set. Hold on, touching back on this. For those of you who realize, right? I have one faithful ratchet handle that I've been using on this car from the build series began. We also have an impact gun to get and a drill, so you can look out for that. Don't have it here right now, but it's on the way. Who doesn't have one of these angle grinder? This one is actually the one that you plug in, and if that's not nice, it's better than 2 angle grinders. This one uses a battery, you know, so you know you're probably working on something like the car and the wire can't stretch or extension cord can't reach a certain length. Plug in the battery, you're good to go. Battery charger. So there are a lot more tools that's supposed to come in. This actually got shipped to Jamaica, so the brand is still new. They're officially starting distribution and setting up the offices and that type of stuff, but they have 2 locations so far. One location is in Mandeville by A1 Equipment, and also A1 Equipment in Kingston. So I will leave the exact details down below where you can find them and the contact details and stuff. But super grateful for all of the support that I've been getting on the channel. I mean, to tell the honest truth, I do this for you guys. Apart from me loving it, I really do it to show Jamaica that no matter where you start or what you have working with, you can definitely reach far, you know. Sometimes you just have to start. So big up to you guys, but let's get into the fun and get walking. Let's test these tools out. See you soon. Today we're going to be sorting out the floor, the rust. I'm making some reinforcement plates for the structure, so I'll show you what's up. I'm reinforcing these, you know, safety in every way we can make it possible, or you know, because you don't want these pancake on you under pressure or folding. So over here we have Mr. Right. So he's taking some measurements to wash the floor from that material. he's saying that when you do electrical welding, try to ground as close to where you're welding. If you run too far, you're going to have electrical current running all over the vehicle or whatever you're welding. So, for those of you interested in that type of thing, yeah, work the device, you know. Look at that, man. Way better. And it's on fire again.
Cross outside, and then we're gonna close this area, and then this area going to be open.
Right.
And the radiator is going to sit here.
Right.
So as you're going through now, the wind going to come through here and enter in, and the fans that are going to be here, they're going to suck.
Yeah, I think they're going
around the back.
Well, I'm not sure which way it run. I think that's how it will work though.
So it have to work.
So it have to work. It can't be opposite.
It can't, no.
Right.
Right. So it have to come through here. So that is the thing now I was asking about how you're doing open up around the back.
So we have to go vent. This. Remember, safety first. Most definitely. And here we have brand new angle grinder. So I'm making some adjustments to the vented area for the rear mounted radiator. And you'll see what's up. So we're going to cut this, cut all the way up to here, and then we're going to run hollow section of steel under it to tighten back to this section. The window will come down, stuff about here, and then all of this is just vent. Alright, picking up where we left off last night, we're trying to reduce the size of this. So, as you can see, I was cutting with a big blade, but the underside has double layered steel, so it's a bit difficult. But I changed the blade. I'm going to jump by that soon, but something actually just came in, so soon show you that. But as it relates for this now, we're going to see if we can finish this up, make the adjustments, and let you guys see it after. But I'll show you something real quick. We'll just run go over here. So yeah, this just came in. Super grateful again for all of the support, you know. Remember people, just start. You never know where you can reach. Just start. So this is impact gun and oh nice. Yeah, it's an impact gun and cordless drill. Love them branding. Branding is super sweet. Let's see if I can actually open this real quick. Tough. Actually tough. So I guess another charger. So 2 batteries now. the battery inside of this. Some additional clips, not sure what this is for. We'll find that out. Warranty card are very important. So when you buy products or items from Wokin, they give you 6 months warranty for your costs. So if your tool stop working within 6 months, they exchange it for free. And then the machine themselves. So this is drill, and this is impact gun. Actually, I love how small it is because sometimes you work in certain places on a car and you can't really put an impact gun there because how big the impact gun is, you know. But I'm feeling to watch it on this and see if we can test it out soon. Alright guys, big up. So back to cutting. Finally finish ring game now and again. Can still put on the car. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next episode.